back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dave, back in the club. No more little race car.
She's back, baby.
Hey, baby. No, I'm at Trey's, baby. Why don't you explain to the people what you're doing, dude?
See this bed? It's out of here.
We also have no idea what we're doing. We've never done anything like this.
I think I watched some YouTube videos.
There you go.
Don't worry, Dave's a good welder.
Freaking, we're having some guy time. And there's Dave on the phone with his girlfriend. I mean, wife.
His girlfriend.
One of them.
It was super windy that day too, you know? What are you always doing?
Yeah, we're good. We got it. We totally know what we're doing. It's cool. It's only 10 minutes in. We've resorted to the grinder and hammering with Dave. Whoa, dude. That's a
weird looking tank of helium, dude.
Big boy size scuba tank.
Dave, that's awfully professional, dude. I didn't think you did stuff like that.
This is Dave's baby. I'm sure it's sick, dude. Yeah, why are you hiding?
I don't know. I don't know how to wear a shirt.
You look like the kid that went to the bathroom and accidentally tucked in the front of his shirt and never fixed it.
Be weird. OBBshop.com.
OBBshop.com.
Get him on OBBshop.com. Oh, there's a bee.
You just punch yourself in the dick, dude?
Yeah, there's a bee. Dude, but yeah, there's a man with a sickle. There's
a little man with a sickle on the front.
A man with a sickle and a little flag.
It's a scythe.
A sickle is the little one. A scythe is the huge one.
Oh, sorry.
You guys are both stupid. It's called an icicle and it hangs off of a roof.
That's why you should glasses? Bust the sucker off!
What the hell are those things?
Cut them off!
It's like something out of Guar.
Oh my god!
Look at that thing, dude. You got a semi? Holy shit. I've never seen a catalytic converter that big in my life before. Holy, that is. Cut it off!
No, not our plans. That's our plans.
Not our schematics on our.
If Hungry Howie's sponsored Trey or Jabe or Dave, that'd probably be the best.
Let's see our plans. What do we got? What's our plans?
4 2x4.
This is perimeter.
Perimeter, nice. That's
around the edge.
That's perfect. 4 2x2, 72 inches total, 92 inches. All right, load them up. Just another day.
Hi, y'all.
How's that feel, Dave? Does that feel dense? Nice, Dave. You like the way that pipe feels?
Wait, hold on. Yeah,
ooh,
that's some good shit.
Got some good girth to it.
Yeah, this is a 2x4, I believe.
Busted his nuts, dog.
There you go.
I don't think that shirt's gonna last too long.
That's alright.
Hey, you should have seen us last week. You shit yourself.
Taking that thing on like a...
We're going all the way to Ocala. You think we'll make it?
We're going to Ocala?
Yeah, Ocala. You think we'll make it?
Man, that's a loud drive on those tires.
So a lot of people are really good at welding. I'm really good at grinding. I went to grinding school. Learned like the proper technique of grinding and like cutting to where it's like super precise, you know, like I follow grind porn on Instagram. Get some weird stuff sometimes, but a lot of really good cuts. I think that this stuff is fine.
Stop!
I got these guys from the Home Depot. They're pretty good. Hey, $25 a day. Not bad.
I just realized we were welding this whole time. There was sawdust and a gas can. Trey goes to shake the gas can, see there's gas in it. That's all gas.
It's fine.
It's cool. It's cool. Now you guys just need to make some spacers, huh? So you get some clearance.
We gotta raise it up because, obviously,
Yeah.
Instagram this.
Oh.
Stands hashtag drift, hashtag car, hashtag. Here, put it where it needs.
We're done goofed. This needs to be over here. All right, round 2. There we go. Where the hell did you just come from?
Hey, your dad's riding around. He just points over there.
What? Where the hell did you just come from?
The mechanic shop.
The truck to the shop.
Get bad news.
We're gonna have a beat off. Me, Thorn, and Trey.
Beat off. That's
A beat off, dude. We're gonna go on a beat off. Dude, not bad at all. That's actually really good. That's so bad. I really laid it on there just to make sure it doesn't come off.
If it gets too hot and starts dripping, you'll just pop.
Not bad. I don't think I'm last, dude. I don't think I'm last.
I'm out my element, dude.
It's almost time. This thing's about to become one with the truck. Hey, man, we don't need that on there no more. Oh, perfect. This is a perfect tool for the job. Sawzall upside down.
Our new episode with Dave.
Yeah!
How do I tell him I don't like it?
Last weld by his truly.
Yeah.
Dave, starting your new album right now. This will be your music video. Oh, you know what? I guess on a positive note, Dave's not smoking cigarettes anymore. That's good. All right, day 2. The part that none of us know anything about. We gotta put the lights in. I did a little bit of wiring on my 240 and my van, so I think we're just gonna chop right here and just hope for the best.
Should I disconnect my battery first?
Yeah, that would probably be a great idea. Oh my god, dude. These are the lights that Trey got. They're just trailer lights.
$25 in Amazon. Yeah, but we don't know if this is right.
Oh, yeah.
We're just like wanting to test it.
Oh, that's fine then. Yeah, just trying to twist it.
All right, update. We gave up on the lights. We need someone else's expertise. Oh, it's time to add the wood.
That ain't complicated doing that.
Got it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude, what the hell is going on with it?
Jeez. Kidding me?
Trey's, yeah, she might. We're gonna stain it with an old dusty rag.
Stinks.
Describe the smell, Dave.
Try. You should stir it.
Stir it.
Oh, you've changed, dude. It is, dude.
Where are you going? Alright, later.
Alright, Trey, start it up. Let's see if we get these lights. Alright. We got a little bit of something going on here.
Kill the battery. Kill the battery. Kill the battery.
Alright, give me the brake lights. Yeah! Right blinker. Right blinker.
Left blinker. No blinker.
No blinkers?
What?
Shit! Wait, so...
Melvin, come back.
I don't even know why.
How's it feel?
It's almost done. Pretty close.
Wow, that looks incredible. Hey, Dave, you did it all yourself, man. No help.
Yeah.
All right, day 3. Time to paint this bad boy. This is the cleanest, minus the sanding, that your truck has ever looked in its entire existence.
Sure.
Other than maybe the day you bought it. Hey, wake up, dude. Time to get active.
Summertime! What? 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 Yeah, Mel! Woo! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I got you!
Oh. Dude, I don't know, man. If all fails with, everything else in life, I think we got a job in auto body custom paint jobs. Look at this, dude. Pretty insanely good job.
Been 10 minutes, so we're gonna take it off now.
I think it's been less than that, dude. It's like still pretty like damp and wet, but it's all right. That's what. Are you gonna do it? I'm waiting for it, dude.
No, she didn't say that.
She never said that. It's damp and wet.